Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I am going to be sharing with you budget friendly summer outfits and how to make them look expensive. Ladies, all the outfits are all the tops. Yes, all the tops that I'm going to be featuring in this chart on this video today, they are all shot from Shein. Yes, ladies, I do know how to select, all right, to make them look like they are expensive. You all know what I'm talking about. But most bottoms that I'm going to be featuring today are bottoms that I took them from my closet, that I'm going to be matching with them, and to give you the idea of how to elevate them. Probably some of you might own this type of tops in your wardrobe already, or you want to shop these particular ones that I'm going to be featuring today. I will try as much as I can, God help me, to be able to find the link and put them in the description box. All the tops, like I mentioned, they are from Shein and they are all size small. Ladies, when you watch this video to a certain extent and you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're coming across my channel for the very first time and you like my content, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification bell so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So here is the first outfit, like I said before, and this has this ruffle style going on right here, and it has these two layers of ruffles. It has a bandeau at the under it, which is this, and that's going to hold everything in place. Also, this is the back. I really like how this look like. I can style this in so many ways. This is the first outfit. This is how I will wear this if I want to elevate it with a tailored pants. This is a capri pants that it's not all the way down and it's not too short, it's not too long. I love the idea of this. Very simple and easy style to go on a summer. And you can also style this with a white pants. I just switch out the pants like I mentioned before. Please use pants that does not have a button all over right here, because you can see it through it. But if you have a tailored, well structured white pant, it's going to elevate this look. I do not have that kind of pant at home right now. I've tried so many at the store and I've not seen the one. This is the only one I have, and this one is from Fashion Nova a long time ago. If it does not have this button, it would have been the preferred what I'm going for at this moment. But having said that, I will still rock it, like, just to show you all, but I will not wear it this way because of the button. I'm still going to make sure I get a pant that has no button like this, structured tailored pant, to elevate this look. And also I'll put in a sunshade so you all can see how everything is going to look all put together.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way.
So here is the second outfit. I think I should have chosen size extra small with this shirt. This shirt is really very comfortable, very stylish. You all need to wait for the back. Let's talk about the sleeve first. It's a long sleeve. Yes, they are long sleeves, but you can just pull them up to look like a bubble kind of sleeve. It's gonna make the style to look like that if you pull the sleeve up, just like the way it is on me. Now let's talk about the back. It has this open detailing at the back, which I think you have to be very careful if you don't pick your right size. If I've chosen extra small, I think it would have been more perfect for me at the back. But this is size small, which is my regular size. But I guess some style you need to go down or go up depending on the style. But it feels very comfortable on my skin. The material is very light, very appropriate for summer. Of course, we all know how white it's a good thing. It's a good color for summertime, and it has a button detail at the back as well. It's beautiful. Yes, you're going to have some breeze going in at your back whenever you're in that 90-degree weather out there. This is really comfortable, and I'm going to go ahead and restyle it again. And in this second outfit, I just switched up the bottom to a skirt. I tucked it in and I switched up my shoe to patent leather because it's a girls night out kind of outfit. So I decided to pair it with a patent clutch just to go with the vibe of the shoe. And this is how this is looking. I think it's very appropriate for, you can use it for, you know, night out. because of the cutout at the back, it's still going to be very appropriate for the night out. So this next outfit that you're all looking at right now, they are all Shein, as in the bottom and the top. Let's talk about the top first. The top has this detailing button 3 at the side, and it has this 2-layer flip of style going on at the front. I love the crisscross kind of design at the front. It's size small and it is the appropriate size. So if you're going to shop this particular one, make sure you shop it in your regular size. I have this zip on the side, which makes it very comfortable when you want to put it on. And trust me, when you talk about the material, of course it's not 100% silk, but it has this silky material going on, satin finish kind of going on. And anything, when you think about silk, you think about elegant, you think about expensive. That's what this top is giving right now. And I paired with this pant. This pant is also from Shein. I think I purchased it like a year or two years ago. It's been a while that I own it in my closet, and I paired them together with nude shoe and a nude bag going on, and everything just look all put together, look very expensive. Yes, ladies, let me know what you think in the comment section. So here is another top. This one is long sleeve and it's giving that silk satin kind of vibe as well, with a gold detailing button at the sleeve. And you can see how it's dropping on one side of the neck. It's really beautiful. The texture feels so good on my body. It's not going to make you feel like it's very hot outside. And I can also go ahead and switch it and style it with the black pants, also with white pants. All I have to do is to switch up the accessories and the shoes I'm wearing to elevate the look and make it look more expensive. This is what I would call structured too, because it's well tailored and it's very affordable, and you can just style it up or style it down. This is black. I paired with a pant from Fashion Nova that I've been wearing from the beginning of this video, and it's amazing how it's seated on my body perfectly. This is size small. It has a zip at the back. Also, you can see the detailing at the front. This is why I said it's structured too. Honestly, it is beautiful. It is absolutely amazing, and it's true to size. And right here, I switch up the pants into a pop of color. We all know black will go with different type of bottom, all right, or top. As in the color black will go with any color. So we are in summertime, and this is summer, budget friendly outfit idea. So I decided to switch up the pants into a green pants that has a little bit of black here and there over it in the detailing. This pant is by J. Crew. So this is a peplum style, and it has to design like 2 layers kind of, because one is cut halfway and the other one is a lap on it, and it has this detail right here too. It's size small. It's perfect. It's not too tight, it's not too small, and it has this band at the waist that's going to help you to accentuate your waist more. With this style, you can style it with whatever bottom that you want to, but I chose to use a bodycon skirt. I know some people don't wear bodycon, but I do, and this is how it is looking, and I feel like it's so perfect. And I style it with this shoe. You can do a sandal, you can do whatever kind of shoe that is comfortable for you, but this is the look that I'm going for, and you all can see that it's looking so beautiful, so elegant, so girly. Yes, and it looks very expensive.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be?
Alright ladies, this is the last top that I'm going to feature today. I'm going to show you different way that I will style it. So this top is stretchy, and I chose size small. It has this ruffle details on the side, also on the other side. The sleeve can be worn different ways. You can do it like halfway down, you can do it like all the way down to your, to make it look like a tube. Also, you can raise it all the way up, depending on how you want to style it. Just like I'm demonstrating it on the screen right now, you can see different way that you can style it, and the color is so beautiful. on my skin, and I believe you can style it with different ways. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how everything is looking from head to toe. The pant I'm wearing in this video is also from Shein, but owned it before in my closet. This is my casual look that I'm going to create if I'm going for something casual. And here is with a skirt, either dressed down. With this way it's dressed down, and you can dress it up by switching up the shoe and your purse.
To make your girl OD, I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby squad.
Ladies, what do you all think with all this outfit that I featured and how I pair them together to make them look appropriate for the summertime, also make them look very expensive, even though those tops were from Shein? Yes, let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, and give this video a thumbs up, and please share this video with your friends and family. You never can tell, maybe they will find it entertaining, informative, or educative. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.